Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Supreme Spirit. Chapter 15, Shloka 11. The seekers striving for perfection behold him dwelling in the self, but the unrefined and unintelligent, even though striving, see him not.
Chapter 15, Shloka 11. Yatanto yoginaschainam pashyantyatman avasthitam yatantopyakritatmano nainam pashyantya chetasah.
Chapter 15, Shloka 11. A few only ultimately come to experience this self, while others, though striving, fail to have this realization. Why? This is explained. Those who are successful in stilling the mind and cleaning their intellect of its disturbing enchantments and desires come to recognize the glory of the self and experience its infinite beatitude. But those who mechanically put in plenty of self-effort do not necessarily succeed. Two conditions are unavoidable if meditation is to succeed. A. The purification of the mind is generally defined as removal of agitations created by one's false egocentric attachment to sense objects. B. Also, the intellect is to be tuned up properly to a correct understanding of the nature of the self, and thus all doubts of the mind, avarna, that veil its right perception, are also to be removed by study, reflection, and practice. If the above two adjustments are not properly carried out through practice and devotion, bhakti yoga, and service, karma yoga, all attempts at the meditation in the path of knowledge can only end in failure. Practice of self-control of the senses and renouncing and abandoning of the evil ways of looking at things from the limited egocentric standpoint are both essential to become a successful seeker. So far, the self has been indicated as one that cannot be illumined by the known sources of light such as the sun, the moon, and the fire. 2. That having reached which none returns from the state of perfection. 3. That of which the individual entities, jivas, are as though only a part. Hereafter, the immanence of the Lord, A, as the all-illumining light of consciousness, B, as the all-sustaining life, and C, the subjective warmth of life in all living organisms, and D, as the self in all the hearts, is being described. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.